So here we have the Diamond 35, I guess the Diamond H.M.S. D35. This was built by Arthur Fenton. He's no longer with us, but I've had the pleasure for the last week to go through this boat and see how it was built, and his craftsmanship is just beautiful. There's a race car going by. Yeah, and we have the guns. I've been playing with the guns mostly because they were a little tight. I noticed when I picked it up, this gun was not assembled, and I noticed that he has high density plastic in there, and it swelled a little bit, I think, and it got a little tight. So I had to loosen everything up, and I had to make a few parts. It was running on 12 volt. It was very, I didn't trust it, I didn't understand it, so I changed it over to my way. So inside I have the dual motors, and I have my Summit ESC that I turn on. This thing is just gorgeous. And I have my remote. And then we'll go down. It also has opposing drives. Yeah. Here's the rudder. I had to change some servos out. Yeah. And then we have the opposing drives, and now we have reverse. Reverse and forward. Right. Which I love. So now I will go to the gun. And for all you RC lovers, this is the guns all turn. And they're all on one cable. So I'll show you how to load each one. This could be a little tricky. You bring it always forward and cock it. And when it's cocked, then I can lift this up. And I can put the bullet in. There's one. I don't want to jitter too much because Mama doesn't like bullets. Allison. And then I cock this one. And you can time them. He has a cam to shoot each one. Lift it up. Put a bullet in. This is so cool.
What kind of bullets are these?
These are 22 blanks. We actually went to Rona and picked up Ramset. Ramset 22 is the lowest caliber I could find. Yeah. I'm putting third bullet in. And the adjustment on these is a little off. They're supposed to not fire all at the same time. I think that I got them close at the same time. Alright. Then we'll have to put the turrets on for show, the covers, without making it fire. One. He made these out of wood. Like, just the detail is just blows me away. I've been so excited and trying to work at the same time and play with this mostly. Yeah. But it gives you a whole appreciation.
Shoot towards the old truck.
Shoot towards the old truck. Right. Oh my. Okay. Now. You turn the turret. Do you see the turret? Mm-hmm. Or you don't want it towards us. Mm-hmm. All right, we're going to shoot the other way. Can you see the guns? Only one fired. But that was loud. What?
I wasn't ready.
No? That was louder than I thought it would be. Yeah, I'm going to have to unload them. I had them all firing a minute ago, but I will have to unload them. Yeah, but there she is. She is beautiful. Did you do a full walk around? I didn't do the lights yet. Yeah.
She's not going to...
I turn the guns back. I put them straight. They might fire. No. Well, back to the drawing board as usual.